Welcome to CAD and Sorcery. This video aims to cover everything from default materials to building your custom material library. Before we begin, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. Materials within SOLIDWORKS encapsulate the physical properties of a part or body within a part. To access the material library, right-click on the Materials section in the Feature Manager design tree and choose Edit Material. This action opens the Material dialog box, displaying folders on the left and detailed material information on the right. These folders, termed as libraries, contain categorized subfolders, termed as categories, which are named like steel, wood, plastic, etc. Each category hosts a variety of materials. Selecting a material reveals its properties on the right side of the window, like elastic modulus and mass density, properties necessary for software calculations and insights. You can use the search bar at the top for quick access to specific materials. Select the desired material from the library and click Apply. Now the material is displayed on the design tree. For applying different materials and configurations, select the material and click the Config button. In a multi-body part, right-click on a body in the Solid Bodies folder and choose Material. To apply the same material to multiple bodies, select them by right-clicking and choose Material from the right-click menu. In Assemblies, right-click on a component in the design tree or viewport to select the material. You can multi-select components by holding Ctrl and then right-click to choose materials, or Shift-select from first to last. Right-click on the material in the Feature Manager design tree and choose Remove Material. The process is the same for assemblies and multi-body parts. After using SOLIDWORKS pre-made materials, it's time to create a library with our custom materials. A material library serves as a database containing material information. SOLIDWORKS offers read-only libraries, such as SOLIDWORKS Materials, and a library for custom materials, called Custom Materials. You can create your own libraries to store your customized materials. With the Material dialog box open, right-click on the left side where the libraries are listed. Choose the New Library option from the right-click menu. This action will prompt a window to select the save location and name for your new library. The new library is listed alongside the other libraries. To add materials to the library, it's essential to have categories. Right-click on a custom library and select New Category. Enter a name for the category and you are set to create your custom materials. To create a new material, there are two methods. The first method is to right-click on the desired category and select New Material. Name the material accordingly. Fill in the values for each property in the Properties tab on the right and click Save when finished. The second and often preferred method is to copy an existing material from the Materials library. Right-click on the material and select Copy. Then, right-click on the target category, choosing Paste. This method is beneficial when the new material shares similar properties with a copied material. You can also use the Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V shortcuts for this procedure. The tabs on the right side of the Material dialog box provide additional options to edit your material. These tabs encompass the default appearance, default crosshatch, material-specific properties, application data, favorites, and sheet metal tab for materials associated with the sheet metal design. The Favorites tab is a standard feature, allowing you to select and array its preferred materials. Add materials to the Favorites list by selecting Add or right-click on a material. Remove items using the Remove button or adjust the display order by using up and down buttons. Once organized, right-clicking on material grants quick access to your most used materials, enhancing productivity. You can also manage the favorites list from the right-click menu in the Materials section. Users of SOLIDWORKS Simulation Professional or Premium gain access to the SOLIDWORKS Materials web portal, hosted by Materiality. This exclusive material library allows browsing and selection of materials through a web browser, offering additional material choices for users. And that's a wrap on materials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS content. See you next video!